Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. Eric from the MMG. Doing something a little bit different. We like to do this a lot on this channel. You know, I'm a computer guy, so you've seen me build computers. I also have recently started to become a car guy. I got a 72 Mustang. And boy, I'll tell you what, jumping into something and learning it is just so much fun for me. And so, yeah, so we got our first Holley carburetor directly from Holley. And yeah, we're going to put this on our 72 Mustang. I'm going to do an unboxing. This particular carburetor is a Holley 4160, and it's got 750 CFM. You can see here's the box. Pretty, I mean, carburetors don't need to be fancy, right? This isn't something that you're trying to appeal to people with the coolest, newest carburetor, right? This is something, you know, most cars these days, or all cars these days, have fuel injection. So unless you have an older car, you're not going to need a carburetor. You don't need to be fancy. You're not trying to sell something. You either know what it is or you don't. And so the box is very, very generic. But yeah, here it is. 4160C, 750 CFM, universal polish, Holley carburetor. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. I want to give a shout out to my mechanic, Scott. He's going to hopefully help me get this installed this weekend. So, yeah. Might do a video for this, the actual install. We shall see. But for sure, we're doing an unboxing. It's got that old car smell. There's the cap on top. Again, I got the polished one. Mostly for the looks. The bottom. Whew. Yeah. The side here. The chambers, of course. Look inside there. Yeah, I am super excited to get this on the Mustang, and hopefully it's going to fix our idle issues. This does have the dual fuel lead intake, and so I actually went ahead and ordered this from Holley as well. This is a Mr. Gasket fuel line kit that's going to actually wire in to this, and yeah, it's going to be awesome. So it's going to come in like this right here to these fuel lines. Boom. All right, so there's the unboxing. There's my Holley 4160. Can't wait to get this baby installed and see how it runs. This is a little bit bigger than my current carburetor, so that's another factor that I'm excited to see if it helps at all. Let's see what else is in this box before we get too much farther. There's the gasket. Some wire there, probably for the electric choke, I imagine. I'm not a car guy either, so if I get my terminology wrong, I'm sorry. I'm starting to become one. I find it fascinating. I love it, but I've never really, in my 40 years on this earth, I've never really dove into a car other than changing an oil and changing brakes, like the basics. I can do that. I learned that, but that's about it. So this is all pretty exciting to me. Let's see, we got something free here. Extend your warranty today for free. All right. All right, guys, so that is my Holley carburetor. Like I said, hopefully we're going to see a video soon of me actually installing this bad boy. Me and Scott, my mechanic, actually installing this bad boy. I am super, super excited. So, pretty cool unboxing. You know, I read that the newer ones are lighter weight than the old first gen, or not first gen, whatever you call it, the older carburetors. This thing's still pretty damn heavy. Like, a little bit heavier than I would have guessed. I don't know what the weight is on it. I'm going to guess 10 pounds or something, but yeah. Pretty sharp looking. It's going to look good on the Mustang, I think. So yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. You know, hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of the carburetor here. All right, so we didn't get the video done of installing it. Scott actually had an opportunity to get it installed and got it taken care of for me. So here's what she looks like on the Mustang. He did an awesome job. Got me all set up. Let's go around the side here. Go. And she runs great. Scott did a great job. Shout out to Scott for taking care of me. Awesome.